Welcome. In this video I will show you how to update Windows on your HP Spectre X360. To update Windows, we have to open the Start menu and go to Settings. Now, first let's go to System. Let's go to Network and Internet and make sure that we have a network that we are connected to and that it has the stable connection. After that, go to Windows Update on the sidebar, click Check for Updates and see whether there are any updates waiting for you to install them. Then if your device finds any, it will immediately start installing these updates. After the updates are installed, you may see this icon changing to Restart Now option. This means that to apply this update, you need to restart your computer. Otherwise, you will see completed status in this place, and after that you'll be able to simply close this window and continue using your device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.